Still put the pin on. Hello and welcome back. Filming the intro at the end again. I've had a really good day. Been invited out on a friend's permission. He doesn't want to be on camera, so yeah, he's invited me out today to his Roman patch. We've waited for a break in the rain, and yeah, we've come out for a couple of hours, and yeah, just enjoy. Brilliant. I've just dug a hole. I can see green. Now I'm on a well-known Roman field. Yeah, there's been loads of Roman found, so that possibly could be a fibula. What are we saying? Oh, still got the pin on.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
Oh, I haven't found one with the pin on for ages. Oh, that is a little beauty. Oh, look at that. Oh, I can't even show you where I am. So you're not going to see me on camera because you'll give it away, but look at that. Oh, knocks again. Winkling in between the iron. Got the recovery set at 8 because it's just so much iron and it's been hammered, this patch. So yeah. Yeah, I had the invite out today with my mate, so yeah, well happy with that. Right, I'm gonna see what else I can find because I've had some awesome stuff here in the past. So yeah, let's crack on. I haven't seen it yet. It's just fallen out now.
Bronze.
Yeah, it's bronze. I've literally just dug. Well, I pinpointed and it fell out the sidewall. Yeah, loads of stones in the ground. Let's have a look. It's got to be. I dropped it. Why the hell do I always drop coins? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's a bronze. Let me give this a quick clean. I give him a little clean up and he's come out lovely. Look at that. I'll be able to ID that when I get home. Not sure what's going on the back, but yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, really happy with that. That's awesome. Sweet. Little Roman in the rain in Wales. Happy days. Boom. And another. Bit bigger, this one. I'd have to clean that one up. Oh, right, I'm gonna clean that up. Wait there. Yeah, that one's got a whole lot of nothing on, unfortunately. But it's got to be more, yeah. So, hang on. Is there something there? Oh, I could just make him out, actually. Facing to the right, spiky helmet by the looks. Right, let's crack on. Cool. I was chasing this around for ages in there, I couldn't find it. It's tiny. I'm not even sure it's a Roman. Is it a Roman? It's so small. Could be a rose farthing. Yeah, he's a tiny Roman. Tiny. Can't really make anything out on it though. Yeah, we're still on it, we're still on it. Knox doing the business. Happy days. It started raining, but we're still digging the Romans. A bigger one this time. Looking like it might be some good detail on that one. Oh, quick wipe, quick wipe. Yes, look at that. Wipe the other side. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I really want a nice brooch now. Well, I got a brooch. I want another brooch or a nice silver one. Found so many of these Roman coins over the years, but the silver ones just, I can't seem to find them out very often. I think I got half a silica and 1 denarii in 7 years. Hundreds of these. Crazy how it goes. But yeah, cool. Oh, happy days. Next signal. Can you see it? It's in the clod. Look at that. That looks mint. He's right in there. Yeah, it's definitely let me give him a quick wipe. Oh, there he is. Look at that. I love this field. I've only been on this field once before and I had a cracking day. I'm surprised I got another invite, to be honest. But look at that little beauty. Happy days. Starting to lose count now. Oh, the back's nice as well. Look at that. This could be the best one of the day so far. Look at that. I'm going to quickly clean that and come back because that is, I think, going to be amazing. We've had a quick clean. It's absolutely thumping it down with rain now. Look at that. I haven't had one like that before. And it's got the altar on the back. This is a hell of a day. What a little cracker that is. That's amazing. Happy days. All the stones in the ground. There's got to be some sort of activity here. I've had Bronze Age here in the past. Well, that first time I came I had Bronze Age. I think I had Iron Age and Roman. So yeah, I'm stinking. Don't even care. Just had this. It's the first thing I found that's not Roman. You can't even see it. It's a little medieval, say post-medieval buckle mount, but it's so muddy. Look at my hands. You should see my state of me. But I'm finding Roman. I'm out in the countryside. Love it. Another hole. What's that in there? Is it? Oh, it is as well. Oh, another coin dropped. I tell you what, finding coins on pasture, they come out in lovely condition. Look at him. Oh my God, what a day. I've only been here 2 hours. Low and slow. So much iron in the ground. But yeah, just picking out those signals in between. But that one, that was right near the surface. That was a screamer. Right. There's got to be a silver in here somewhere. There's got to be. Let's crack on then. Happy days. I had to film this. I've just had a steel toe cap. Oh well. Just come on a different field. Just for 5 minutes before we go home. Have a look at that. My mate's just had this now. What is that? Oh, look at that. Is that a dime? 1 dime. I'm sure that says dime. United States of America, 1 dime. Liberty. I don't know what the date is on that. Oh, 1941 down there. Happy days. I've never seen one of them come up before. Cool. Just a quick roundup before we go. Literally 2 hours at most. Yeah, a few nice Romans there. absolutely stinking now though. That's got to be one of the best. And that brooch. I'm finding a brooch with a pin on for the ages, so really pleased with that. Really pleased. And my mate's just thrown me that again. Just had that now on the way out in the other field. But yeah, it's not a bad day. Well, not a bad couple of hours. Yeah, that's all I can manage today. We only had 2 hours. Yeah, hopefully I get another invite back, because the first time I absolutely smashed it, yeah, but that was before I'd done YouTube, so yeah.